Okay, I promised you guys an RV tour before we left and I didn't come through, but now I'm going to give you the RV tour from the beach so y'all can see what our home is. I'm going to spin the camera around and take y'all on the tour. This is our Rockwood Ultralite 2887 MB, and I'm pretty sure the MB stands for mid bunk. It has 3 slides, one for the master suite, one for the bunk house, and one for the living area. It has our basement, really nice pass-through basement. That's our propane. That is my barbecue storage right here. I love the windows. That's my little barbecue storage. Our rear rack. And we got a ladder. It's a walkable roof. And we're gonna go inside while it's still clean, hopefully. And this is the interior. Got theater seating, our booth, 46-inch Samsung 4K high-def TV, QLED TV. This is normally the cocktail cabinet, but all the cocktails are out of it. We moved them for travel, and we like this rig because of all the windows. It makes it look even more open and spacious. Right now we are in Navarre Beach at Emerald Beach RV Resort. So this is our back. This is the view we have from our kitchen for the next week. Lots of cabinets and storage space, which is why another reason why we picked this is all the cabinets and storage we have. Microwave, gas oven, electric refrigerator, and it's a really good size refrigerator. It holds quite a bit of stuff. That's all our junk. Nice size freezer, and a really good size pantry with a motion light. Really big pantry, and we got tension rods and stuff up on some spots for travel, so stuff wouldn't fall out while we were bouncing down the road. Theater seating, like I said. Let's go in here. This is Faith's room. This is the bunk house, and it's relatively clean right now. By tomorrow morning this will be trashed. We got lots of storage. Got some ties on it to keep it from opening up. Big storage in her room for all her stuff. And this is just one more reason why we got this, because we wanted Faith to have her own room and her own stuff. She's got a really nice Samsung 4K QLED TV, and yeah, she's a teenager, so she's got all these BTS dudes on her wall. It is what it is. We're gonna go up now. This is our control panel. This controls everything. Got your electric, water heater, gas. I don't have my glasses on. Got your water pump, all your awning slide outs, your lights, your different gray and black tanks. This is our solar control. This does have a solar pack that powers the refrigerator while we're moving. This is for the ceiling fan in the kitchen. This is our master bath. Really decent sized bathroom. Lots of storage, 2 big cabinets that go all the way back. Really nice shower. Really nice shower, lots of room, big skylight. Got a bench where you can sit. And we got our teak mat that if you have an RV, you definitely need to get a teak mat. You don't slip, slide, hair just falls through it. It is awesome, probably one of the best things we bought. And got a mirror medicine cabinet with a whole bunch of junk in it. So this is really nice, spacious bathroom, and we like it, and it works. We haven't had any issues with 3 people using a bathroom. All right, here is the master of the bed. It's gonna probably be not perfectly made, but this is a queen, or this is an RV queen bed. And our decor, of course, we love the beach, so we went with a beach theme in our bedroom. Lots of storage again in the bedroom. Tons of storage. Hanging, you got room for hanging clothes in there, drawers down there, big closet, lots of closet space. And you can tell which side is Carrie's and which side is mine. Hers is organized much, much better than mine. Windows, we got a nice little entertainment center right here where we have our little sea boat or sailboat picture. We can put a TV there, but we really don't watch the TV in the master. So this is basically the tour. Got 2 AC units that really work great now that I did that upgrade from my other video. But this is it. This is our Rockwood Ultralite, and we love it. Tons of cabinet space, tons of storage, and more room than we'll ever need. We absolutely love this rig, and the windows are just it. And when you have a view like this of Navarre Bay and the beach, waking up to that every day is just fantastic, fantastic. So that's your RV tour. I promised I'd give you one, and I did. Now if you like this video, go ahead, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications, because we just began our life journey. We just started traveling. This is stop number 1. We're traveling the Emerald Coast all the way down to the Keys, and we want to take all of you with us. Also, don't forget about our Patreon. Go to Patreon, search Cajuns Across America, and go ahead and subscribe to that. All Patreon subscribers get a free Cajuns Across America decal for your subscription. Patreon subscribers also will see daily updates of our travel, so they'll get to see things before this YouTube video drops. So Patreon subscribers get a behind-the-scenes exclusive look at our travels and what we're going through. Another benefit. Plus, free merch. Can't beat a free decal. And I may create a higher subscription tier later, where you get your choice of a free baseball hat or a free t-shirt, which is coming. An online store is coming. So again, don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and check out our Patreon. We really do appreciate all of you guys' support. Really do. We're so excited to have all of you with us. And once again, I'm going to close this out with our little saying and what we say in Louisiana: laissez le bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. And y'all have safe travels out there. I'll see y'all later.